Let's get ready for Monday Mortgage Minute with your hosts, Tom McNamara and Bruce Woodburn.
All right. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Bruce.
Happy Monday. So it's President's Day. The markets are closed. Whatever rates were Friday are rates for today.
Sure.
But I don't know about you, but with the rates improving, and I want to show a bond chart here in just a second, but I want to show you the direction things are going in. And I don't know about you, but just in the last 2-3 weeks, my new business is just flowing in the door right now.
Absolutely. It's almost like the tap got turned back on. I had last weekend, I had a open house. We had about 15, 20 people, groups through the house, put it under contract in a weekend. Just did another one this past weekend, had about the same amount of people through. Whereas, a couple months ago, I'd be lucky to get 1 or 2 people through an open house. So it's been tremendous, lots of activity. I'm putting buyers under contract. I've got sellers just, even people with 2 and 3% mortgages are saying, I got to move. I need to move. I have it's just, you just hit that place where you got to go.
100% agree. And what's strange is that even though interest rates today are not any better than they were back in September, and yet people feel so much better about their future right now. And I'm glad they do, because I certainly do. And I know a lot of people are a little, they're sitting on the sidelines, they're unsure, or they don't like the way things are going. But I think that the overall consumer sentiment is very, very positive. And I see people are feeling better about jumping in the market. And you're right. I talked to 2 people just yesterday. They got 3.5% rates, and they already know they're going to be in the 6s or 7s. And they're like, I know, but I have the need to buy a home.
Right. Yeah, it's definitely opening back up. I mean, it's certainly not 2021 again, which was crazy, but it feels really good. I've got a lot of good activity. So very, very happy about that. Very blessed.
Absolutely. So I want to just bring up a bond chart here real quick and
let's
show you what we've been seeing. Let's see here. Let's enlarge that just a bit. So as you can see, this is back in September. We just deteriorated from there. And now we've gotten better and better and better. We had a couple of lumps a week or so ago, but look what we're doing. We're heading in the right direction. So we need to get up to about here for in order to get back to where we were, but we're headed in that direction. And I think that things are moving right along. I've got a lot of hope. I think that we're gonna see a much better market.
Yeah, for sure. I do know that one of the things that I think is, this is just, again, me personally, by looking at the observations on the market, is the fact that the Fed doesn't plan on lowering the Fed rate, I think is putting a little calm in the market, and people are not doing I want to wait and see, or they might go up, they might go down. The Fed's just kind of like, hey, bro, it is what it is. It's sticking where it is.
Well, they're not going to lower the Fed rate if we still have inflation.
Correct. That's what I'm saying. But I don't think they're going to raise it either. So I think it's just going to kind of be where it is until maybe summer or even into the fall,
Yeah. And who knows? Maybe we don't need it. Maybe we just let the bond market do its job and it starts to recover. And if we could even get down into the low 6s, I think that if we're getting this kind of activity, where rates are between 6.5 and 7.25.
Right.
What do you think's going to happen when it's 6 to 6.5? I mean, it's going to be a game changer. But already we're seeing national numbers come across where the housing prices are up between 3 and 6%, and that's a nice steady increase. Lord knows what it's going to be when the rates drop even lower.
Yep. So now I will say, in most of Central Florida, not everywhere, can't be specific, right? But most of Central Florida, I'm seeing prices relatively flat. Even, I don't want to say the prices are coming down, but the sellers are more flexible still, which means that it's the right time to look and strike, because as soon as those rates drop, those
I could
sellers are
not
not going to be
agree
as
more,
flexible.
Tom. You are spot on. There, people are just ready to go ahead and get in. And with the Fed saying we have no intention on cutting any rates anytime soon, and people are going, well, I guess that, I can't live off of hopium, and I'm just going to go ahead and get what I need to get right now.
Yep, absolutely.
So one thing we've got coming up that people have to be aware of is it's going to be tax season right around the corner, right? Our favorite time of the year.
Yeah.
And that means that if you're self-employed, you have a choice. You can either report the income on your taxes, or you can write off the income on your taxes. But either way, there's a program for you. So if you want traditional financing, report as much income as you need to qualify. If you don't, then we have bank statement programs for self-employed people. We'll only look at your bank statements. We'll add up all the deposits, and we'll give you 50% of that as income. Very popular with self-employed people right now. And the rates, quite frankly, aren't that far out of range from what conforming rates are.
Good.
So it gives people an opportunity.
Yeah, for sure. That definitely helps people that don't have that typical, W-2 job, right?
Yep. Now, if you are looking to refinance, I'm telling you, if you just want to lower your rate, eliminate PMI, it's probably going to be a holding pattern for you right now. Let's just hold off a little longer, especially if you're a veteran, you have an FHA loan, you are getting preyed upon by lenders right now. Don't fall for it. It's a gimmick. They're going to try to get you and save you a little bit of money, but it's adding to your balance. Wait. You can only do it every 241 days as a veteran. So don't do it now and miss out on that opportunity in the future. However, if you're loaded with consumer debt and you have equity in your home, don't make any late payments on anything, or it could completely knock you out of the market from anybody helping consolidate debt. So before any payments are late, you need to call us. We'll help you. We'll get you straightened out. We'll get your debts consolidated. Maybe it's a HELOC, a HE loan, or a traditional refinance. But let's get debt under control. Debt is the enemy of wealth. And I'm going to tell you something. Even though you might have a low rate on your mortgage, sometimes getting that payment down can give you some relief. And then if you get the payment down low enough compared to what you've been paying and all your debts, you can make extra payments on it and even accelerate the mortgage payoff.
Correct. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Great advice. It's great when a debt man doesn't want to sell too much debt, right?
100%. Absolutely. So if you're looking to buy right now, great opportunities. Like Tom said, sellers are working deals right now. This is a opportunity for you to get in the market. If you have any questions, Tom can help you anywhere in the United States. So can I. We lend in all 50 states. So feel free. If you're a real estate agent, you need some help, guidance. If you're another lender and you want help and guidance, we're here to help you as well.
Hey, Bruce, we've got another great program. I'm going to send you a link to it, but we've got a great program coming up for any real estate agents. On Thursday, it's going to be a Zoom call of our Shoot Your Shot YouTube
Beautiful.
Video mastery. So I'll send you over that link if you don't mind putting it at the bottom.
Here's the thing, folks. Just so you know what Tom's talking about, we subscribe to that helps us with our video content. It helps us on how to learn how to shoot videos, how to overcome your fear, proper angles, proper lighting. I'm on my boat right now, so you're not getting any of that stuff right now. You're not getting the proper sound or lighting, but we can help you with that and show you what to do and then get the exposure. And so I've subscribed to it. I have one of my employees that have subscribed to it. But if you're not doing videos, you are missing out on a huge piece of business.
Absolutely.
And you either do it or you're missing out.
Yep. Fantastic.
And I'll go ahead and post that on my website as well for you. Tom, go to webringyouhome.com and you can check it out on the website.
Awesome. Bruce, we are about out of time, my friend.
Yep. You have a great day. And we picked up a buyer on the weekend. I should have them pre-approved for you by the end of the day.
Sounds great, man. I'll talk to you soon.
Have
Thanks.
a great day. See ya.